Hey y'all, Jillian here, and I just wanted to share with you some exciting news I think is exciting. I am training to run a 5K. 5K is 3.2 miles, and I know I'm challenging myself by training for the movie Rebirth. I get that. But running has been a thorn in my side for years. It is my weakness. I hate running. I'm not good at it. And I just said, it's time. It's time that I mastered this. So I got myself a running coach to help me teach me how to breathe, teach me how to do my foot placements as I'm hitting that pavement or hitting that treadmill, how to pace myself, pace my breathing, especially since I came back from lung cancer not too long ago. Of course, that messed up my lungs, so I have to get my lungs strong again. I don't have to do this, but I want to. I want to challenge myself because I said, I'm not going to let this run in. I said, it's time. It's time that I mastered this thing that is my weakness. You only grow if you push yourself, you only grow if you challenge yourself. So, what are you doing to challenge yourself this year? What are you doing that's going to make you be the master of this thing that you struggle with? And there's nothing wrong with that. You can suck at something, but if you keep going and trying and trying, you're gonna get better at it. And that's what I plan to do with my running. But if you have something that you're trying to do, yeah, put it in the comments. Let us know. So I started March 1st, this past Sunday, and it's been a challenge. I ain't gonna lie. It's been a challenge. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to doing this and then getting out there when the weather breaks and all the snow is gone, get outside and run in the pavement, run in the parks or whatever. I'm looking forward to mastering something that has been truly difficult for me for so many years. So that's the news I want to share with you. 5K, 3.2 miles. I can do